Hello guys, this is Raymond from Raymond Academy. In today I'm going to show you how to trade in Binance, how to get BTC or how to buy your USDT or any coin you want to buy. So make sure you watch this video to the end, don't skip any part. And if you are new on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so in case anytime I'm dropping a new video you'll be notified. So now let me open my Binance. So what you need to do is make sure you install your Binance and get it verified with your ID. So I'm going to log in my Binance. So as you can see, we have the P2P trading. We have buy with NGN, which is the Naira, but I'm going to trade with P2P. So as you can see, this is buy. If you want to sell, this is sell, but I want to buy now. So let me show you the example. So I'll click on buy. So as you can see, the rate, I think this two account is restricted, so we need to move down. As you can see, this person have almost 2,000 plus trades, so and it has 97.80% rating. So for example, this person is selling from 100,000 to 750,000. So if you want to buy at least 10,000 to 10,000 upward, but it starts from 4,000 naira upward. So you are going to come here, which says filters. So you are going to filter the amount you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy 4,000. Then you are going to confirm. So it's going to list all the traders that want to sell between the rate of 4,000. As you can see, this one is selling 4,000 to the rate of 8,116.78. So if you want to buy, what you need to do is just click on buy. Then you type in the amount. After then, you buy with zero fee. I don't want to buy, so I don't want to proceed more than this place. So, but let me just explain to you. If you want to buy, you just type in the amount. You click on buy. So after you buy, you are going to pay the merchants. You are going to transfer the money and you are going to notify. Then after some minutes, they will drop your coin. Thank you.